guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kelly of KoreanON. 안녕하세요, 켈리입니다. Today we're gonna talking about who in Korean. All about the who in Korean. Let's take a look. So who, the interrogative word who, the direct translation of who is 누구. Somebody knocked the door. 쾅, 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 ding dong, ding dong. So you can reply, who are you? Who is it? Which is, 누구세요? 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 The phone ringing. Oh, there's a suspicious number on the phone. You can say, who's calling in Korean? 누구세요? It's same. So who are you? Who is it? In Korean, 누구세요? So when you're on the phone, when you are in the phone, you can say that. Who's calling in Korean? 누구세요? So 누구세요? Who are you? 누구세요? And on the phone also 누구세요? 누구세요? So who was he? 그가 누구였어요? 그가 누구였어요? This is a past tense. Who was she? 그녀가 누구였어요? 그가 누구였어요? 그녀가 누구였어요? Also, who is this person? Who is this guy? Who is this person? Who is this guy? Who is this person? Who is this guy? You can say, 이분 누구세요? Who is this little girl? 이 꼬마 누구예요? 누구세요? And then, who do you like most? Who do you like most? Who do you like most among the K-pop star? 누가 제일 좋아요? Who do you like most? Who do you like most? 누가 제일 좋아요? Who also we can translate as 누가, which is a combination of 누구 plus particle 가, subject particle 가. So 누구 plus 가, which means 누구가, but nobody used 누구가 in Korean. All the time make it shorten 누가. So who knows? 누가 알아요? Who knows? 누가 알아요? 누가 알아요? Nobody knows. Who knows? 누가 알아요? Or who told you? This is secret. Who told you? 누가 말했어요? Who told you? 누가 말했어요? This is a secret. Who told you? 누가 말했어요? Who died? Oh my god, who died at the accident? Who died? In the case, 누가 죽었어요? Who died? 누가 죽었어요? Oh my god, who died? 누가 죽었어요? Like that. 누가 죽었어요? Or who got married? Oh my god, who got married? 누가 결혼했어요? 누가 결혼했어요? Which is the subject of action. 누가 결혼했어요? Or who made this movie? 누가 이 영화 만들었어요? The subject of the action. 누가 who made this movie? 누가 이 영화 만들었어요? Anyway, let's write it down together. So today we'll learn about who. Interrogative word who. Direct translation 누구. Or with a particle, subject particle 가, 누가. 누구, which is the pronunciation 누구 and 누가. So who are you? Who are you? 누구세요? When you're on the phone, so who's calling? Also, 누구세요? And who is this person? Who is this person? 이분 누구세요? And who was she? She, 그녀가 누구였어요, which is past tense. Or who is he? 그는 누구예요? The last one, who do you like? Who do you like? 누구 좋아해요? So next 누가 is 누구 plus subject particle 가. So the baby said 누구가, but we can in the casual expression is 누가. So who knows? 누가 as a subject verb 알아요? Nobody knows, right? Or who made this movie? 누가 as a subject 이 영화 this movie 이 영화를 만들었어요. 누가 as a subject we translate 누가. So who are you? 누구세요? Who is she? 그녀가 누구예요? So as a subject we translate 누가. Okay? Or who told you? Who told you? 누가 말했어요? So we did not say you. 당신에게. 누가 당신에게 말했어요? Which is casually, usually omitted. And who died? 누가 죽었어요? Okay, that's it. So we learn about who today in Korean. First, who are you? 누구세요? Who is this person? 이분 누구세요? Who was she? 그녀는 누구였어요? And when you're on the phone with someone, like, 누구세요? Who's calling? 누구세요? Okay? And another one is that 누가, which is 누구, the combination of 누구 plus subject particle 가. 누구 plus 가, in short, 누가. Who died? 누가 죽었어요? Who got married? 누가 결혼했어요? Who knows? 누가 알아요? So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'm happy to reply or I consider them for the next chapter of my video. See you later. 다음에 만나요. 후.